Way back in 1898, several baking companies decided they'd be stronger together. So they merged to form the National Baking Company, or Nabisco as it came to be known. This was the birth of the very organization that would eventually give the world one of its most beloved treats. Before we continue, kindly click the like button and subscribe to Tech Manufacturing Industries produced by Taiwo Falana. Alright, in 1912 Nabisco had a brilliant idea. Create a sandwich cookie with 2 chocolatey wafers and sweet cream filling in between. They called this new creation the Oreo. Nobody's completely sure where the name came from, but everyone knows what it means today. Today, Oreo cookies are produced at factories in 18 countries all over the world, churning out a whopping 40 billion cookies every single year. That's enough cookies to circle the earth 5 times if you laid them end to end. It's a massive operation that would be impossible to do by hand. The journey of every Oreo begins with carefully selected ingredients: flour, sugar, cocoa powder, vegetable oil, leavening agents, salt, and secret flavorings. A special quality control team checks every delivery, ensuring only the finest ingredients get the green light to become part of an Oreo. A worker loads heaps of pure sugar into an enormous industrial mixer. This is no ordinary kitchen appliance, but a giant machine designed for massive production. Next comes the cocoa powder. Not just one type, but 2 different varieties, both processed to be smoother and less bitter. This blend gives Oreo its signature look and deep taste. Specially formulated canola oil helps bind the dry ingredients as huge beaters blend everything together. Water is added, and the mixture becomes a bubbling, chocolatey liquid. Then, something surprising happens. Dry ice is added to cool the mixture down. This ensures that when flour is added next, the dough will be less crumbly and easier to work with. The finished dough is pushed through special grates, breaking the huge mass into smaller, manageable pieces that flow smoothly through the production line. These pieces feed into a molding machine that transforms them into perfectly round, flat cookie shapes with incredible precision. But this machine does more than make circles. An engraved metal roller carries the classic Oreo design, complete with logo and decorative border. As dough passes under this roller, the design is pressed firmly onto each cookie. This powerhouse churns out 5,000 perfectly stamped wafers every hour. The stamped cookies transfer from silicon to steel conveyor belts. Steel can withstand incredible heat and helps cookies bake evenly with a crisp base. They enter an enormous tunnel oven stretching 85 meters, almost the length of a football pitch. The cookies travel through this massive oven for several minutes, receiving perfectly even baking. While cookies bake and cool, another process creates the famous white filling. It starts with powdered sugar for sweetness and smooth texture. Vegetable shortening makes it rich and stable, while special vanilla flavoring gives it that classic recognizable Oreo cream taste. The texture must be just right. Not too runny or it'll squeeze out, not too stiff or it won't spread properly. The machines are calibrated for perfect consistency every time. The finished cream loads into a sophisticated pump system with precise dispensing controls ready to deliver exact amounts to the assembly line. Cooled cookies move through clever ramps that use gravity to sort them. One line lands plain side up for cream, while another line flips to show the engraved pattern. A centrifugal pump deposits perfect round dollops of vanilla filling right in the center of each bottom wafer as they pass underneath. Robotic machinery picks up top wafers and places them perfectly on cream-covered bases, applying just enough pressure to stick them together without squishing cream out the sides. Mechanical fingers separate the stream into bunches, then robotic grippers move them forward and release them into plastic trays. The entire process takes 90 minutes, producing 3,000 cookies per minute. At the quality control station, workers and cameras give cookies one final inspection, checking for breaks, cream amounts, and pattern clarity. Only perfect cookies pass. Approved cookies move to wrapping machines that seal them in the iconic blue Oreo wrapper recognized worldwide, then bundle them into shipping boxes. From distribution centers, trucks, trains, and ships carry Oreos to over 100 countries. Whether you're in Tokyo, London, or Buenos Aires, you can find them at your local store. Approximately 34 billion are sold yearly, making it the best-selling cookie of the 21st century. From humble New York beginnings to global superstar, a fascinating tale of modern manufacturing. No matter how you eat your Oreo, the story of its creation remains a marvel of industrial precision and global coordination. Remember to watch more of Taiwo Falana YouTube videos. Keep discovering and manufacturing.